to knit this easy flower, I'm going to work with Caron Latte cakes. And I have a small amount of black for the center. And I'm working with 6mm needles. Now this yarn is very small. It's more like fingering yarn, but is classified as a bulky yarn. And I'm going to cast on 60 stitches. Okay, I've cast on all my stitches, and now you're going to work in stockinette stitch, which is knit 1 row, purl 1 row, for 6 rows. So knit across the row, all the way across the row. Okay, I have knitted all the way across the row. In the next row, you're going to purl across the row. So purl across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I purled all the way across the row, and in this flower, I worked 6 rows. So then to make the center of the flower, you're just going to take some black worsted weight yarn, and I'm going to knit 2 stitches together across the row. So knit 2 stitches together across the row. So 2 stitches. I pass my needle through 2 stitches, knit 2 stitches together across the row, like that, 2 stitches. And after knitting this row, you will have 30 stitches on the needle. So you're going to go ahead and do that. And then you're going to repeat it 2 more times. And this is what it will look like. And you will just sew those 2 ends together like that. And you can use the flower plain like this, or you can add buttons in the center. That's how easy it is to knit this Caron Latte flower. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.